Easter whipped cream. Is that good?
What do you think about that? Is that delicious?
Yeah, that's yummy. Mmm.
Wow, that's a delicious
Some
stuff.
whipped cream for Easter.
She's like,
You want an egg? Remember when you used to say egg?
Want some more of this?
Yeah. Oh, yummy! Mmm, look
that
at your
good?
beautiful dress, Lucy. Look at our little Easter bird. Good job. Look at this. What's this? Can you say egg? What's this?
It's an egg.
What's this?
Look at Bubba.
She'll look at it. She'll look at it. Just give her a minute. She's like, wait a minute, I don't know. Just the one.
There's two friends over here.
What's this?
There's two friends over here.
What are these? What's that?
Hey, happy Easter, Luciana.
There, now she sees the eggs.
Happy Easter,
Yay!
baby.
Is there whipped cream inside Lucy's eggs? You want to hold it?
I think she wants more whipped cream.
You want to hold it?
Let's give her one more hit. See?
There you go. Mmm.
She loved that.
Yum.
You like that, huh?
You're kicking your little fish sticks because you like that.
Watch, she'll arch her back.
Looking for the
That means, hey, give me another squirt of that stuff, Papa.
yummy.
Is that good?
That's good.
Is that good?
You want to try holding this egg? Remember when Lucy said egg? Can you say egg?
Remember that?
Yeah, can you say egg? Hmm? Hi. Look at these curls today. Oh my goodness, Luciana. So beautiful.
Somebody's real excited. She's like, I think I know what you mean, Papa, with this whipped cream.
You like that whipped cream. Well, happy Easter. There's your bunny from Auntie Paula. Look. This is from all your cousins and your auntie and your Uncle Jason, Maxwell, and Ivan.
Happy Easter, everybody.
They got this for Lucy. Want to feel how soft? There. Ooh, very soft. You got the bunny's ear and it's very soft.
Wow.
Yeah, that's nice. What's this bunny? Grandma gave you this bunny, remember? Remember it? You were laughing for this bunny. All right, baby. Happy Easter. I love you.
Easter.
One more hit. They're open wide. Mmm, yummy. Egg.
Happy Easter, little egg.
High five, baby.